Ah, lovely. Look at that mountain top with the clouds hanging right on it. It's so pretty. Look at this greenery all around. I shouldn't be turning my head. It's really bad. Bad shoe. Bad shoe, I hear, sir. Bad shoe. Don't turn your head around. Agge dekho, agge, as they say. My old boss, Dr. Prannoy Roy, used to say this. Agge dekho.